7-2 State of Texas versus Satare Portillo. Could I have parties?
That was done in off-site, so if I would.
Permission for me to do this in place of Ms. DeHoyos?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Portillo, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Satare B. Portillo who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 217?
Ms. Abrams and ADA Daniel. My client is asking to be continued. We had a recommendation that was a three-way agreement. I understand the court didn't want to follow that. I had proposed something to Daniel. I'm hoping that you would consider this. But just some background a little bit first. Her prior NTR was disposed of February 27th, 2024. But she was booked February 3rd, 2024. So from February 3rd till today, according to the clerk, it's 137 days. So she's had the equivalent of a, not court ordered, but equivalent of a 4-month jail sanction. She did admit that she refused to sign conditions for inpatient. She's willing to do, not just ISF, she's willing to do SAT-F. She's willing.
The ketamine she had was 27.980 grams. I don't think probation is appropriate for her. I'm not going to continue on probation. I'm going to revoke her and find her guilty. Does anybody wish to speak to punish them?
Defense would ask for the minimum time, Your Honor, with credit for time served.
Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Yes. But you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you want deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes, please.
All right. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to the nations. And she decided that she didn't want to follow those recommendations. I don't see how there's anything that I can do anything for her. People don't get it. You're not supposed to, when the court orders you to do something, for example, to help you, by following the recommendations of TAP. TAP recommended inpatient treatment. And I know sometimes people get to talking to people at the Bexar County Jail. And when I say people at the Bexar County Jail, I mean other inmates. And they give people advice, and people want to follow the advice of an inmate, not realizing that, guess what? That person is in custody. But I made an order, and we can't do this thing where I order somebody to follow the TAP recommendations, and the TAP says inpatient, and then somebody says, I'm not signing to go to inpatient. And then what ends up happening, when reality hits that your range of punishment is 5 to 99 years or life, then people come before the court and they want to say, oh, you know what? I changed my mind. Now I will do inpatient treatment. So that's where we are.
And
I don't think she's a good candidate.
She's also willing to take a felony conviction, change it from deferred to straight probation. She's willing to do the harsher inpatient treatment program with zero tolerance. It was a poor decision for her.